up my lovely friends, welcome to another episode of Think But Skills Yoga. Today we are going to do some fun yoga with your favorite land animals. We have two friends over here, Kenneth and Yashashwa.
Hi.
And we are going to perform their favorite land animals. But before starting any exercises, a warm-up is a must. So we will start with a 2-minute warm-up. Hands by the side. We will start with the neck rotation and start from the right. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now front and back. Right, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Now hand rotations. Take your hands like this, stretch, make a ball and now rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do some side bends. And the side bends will be in the form of a rainbow. Now we will bend towards the left and form a rainbow. Bend, small rainbow, another rainbow, a little bigger rainbow, another big rainbow, and now is the last rainbow and you have to make a big rainbow. Come on Yashashva, left side, right side, a big rainbow. Yes, very good. Now it's turn for the ankles. Now start. Forward bend, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Now this is the ankle movement. Okay. Now we will start with Kenneth's favorite land animals. Now Kenneth will tell us what are his favorite animals.
My favorite animals are elephant, butterfly and mouse.
Chalo, we will start with the butterfly first. Come on, sit in the Sukhasana. Split your legs and now start shaking your legs. Shake your wings like a butterfly. Yashash, push on that side. Shake, shake, come on. Back straight, both of you. Yes. Your back should be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the next animal is a mouse. How does the mouse bend? Now sit in the Vajrasana. Forward bend. Hands by the side. Hold your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wait. Now the last animal is the elephant. Come to the elephant. Come. Forward bends. Now right, left, right, left. Bend, 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 bend. Come on, bend. Yes. Kenneth bend. Right, left. Big swing. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this was Kenneth's favorite animals. Now come to Yashashwa's favorite animals. Come on Yashashwa, tell your 3 favorite animals.
My favorite animals are cobra, dog, cat, camel.
Yes, so we will start with the cat and camel. Come on the fours. Come on. Yes, one at a time. There again. Split your legs. Yes. Okay. Split your legs. And split. It should be shoulder gap. Yes, shoulder gap जितना space बनाओ legs के बीच में. Yes. Kenneth, shall we start? Yes. Now spine should be straight. Now become a camel. Camel. Now cat. 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 Camel. Cat. Hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come back to the position. Lie down on your stomach. Come back, Yashashwa. Come back, you're not visible. और पीछे, मैट के ऊपर, केने पीछे सर. ठीक है. चलो. Chin on the carpets. Yes. Now hands by the side. Now raise. Raise पीछे थोड़ा कर. मुंडी करती है. ठीक है. Now raise. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to the Vajrasana. So these were Yashashwa's and Kenneth's favorite animals. Now we will start with the cool down. For cool down, we have to imagine a big balloon in your hand. Come on, take a balloon in your hand, close your eyes. Now inhale and blow the balloon. One more time, a bigger balloon. And the last time, a very big balloon. Now show me how big are your balloons. Wow, that's a big balloon. Take it. So now the balloon has been blown. Now we will throw it in the air. Gone. The balloon is gone. Now we will do the Shanti part. Start with the Shanti part. Let's start. And that's all for today. The 3 magical words.
Namaste.
Thank you.